Sinisipan ako, guys.
Training certificate. You are already married, no? So, dapat may marriage contract. And if you are a Muslim, dapat mag-secure ikaw ka certificate that you are a Muslim. Sa Professor Emma Ferranil, ma'am, to our job and placement coordinator, and of course, to you, graduating students. Good
Yes.
morning, Baba. Good morning.
Hello, guys! Afternoon seminar. Dikita at gawas yun. Hi guys, so I just got here. I got here like 20 minutes and then I just procrastinated my way here. Like, I have a chapter exam tomorrow and I haven't reviewed anything. Like anything. And it starts like 8 a.m. tomorrow and I haven't reviewed anything. Because the last thing that I reviewed was like 2 weeks ago. And honestly, I forgot everything I reviewed. The chapter test was supposed to be last week, but it got postponed. So, the continuation will be tomorrow, Thursday. Gift. Iinom ako ng mainit na tubig, guys, because I am having, anong English na sipon? Sinisipon ako, guys. Ingat! You know what? Like, honestly, I don't feel any adrenaline rush right now. Like, wala akong nararamdaman. Wala akong nararamdaman ng pressure, guys. Feeling ko, babagsak talaga ako sa exam bukas. I was just having the time of my life. Pero I think, magre-review naman ako mamaya kapag nag-sink in na, oh my god, guys, tomorrow is the exam. So, magre-review naman siguro ako mamaya. Just not now. Sige, dito. And second exam tomorrow, I have to on. Guys, I am sick again. First time being sick after I turned 20. Lumibigat yung pakiramdam ko, guys, because sa sipon. So, I just have to take medication. Thanks! Po. It's currently 10:21 p.m. and I have been studying for like almost 3 hours. So, tutulog ako before 11 p.m. kasi gising ako ng 4 or 5 a.m. para mag-review ulit. Good luck to me! Oh, amor. I can see it in your eyes. It's already 7:30 a.m. and tapos na po akong kumain, ligo and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna go over with the things I reviewed last night. Kagabi, hindi ako nakatulog agad kasi right before I am about to sleep, nag-chat yung prof namin. May i-add siya na topic sa exam and hindi ko pa siya nabasa. So binasa ko muna yon and I tried to review for it. And guys, I am freaking, alam ko mukha akong sabog, but yeah, sabog talaga ako. Very, very sabog. Hello Rubies! Welcome to another vlog of my life. So, I've been doing things for the past 2 hours and gusto ko lang talaga ipakita sa inyo how I study and do all my schoolworks. And nandito ako ngayon sa bahay even though it's a Sunday night kasi wala kaming pasok bukas. So, I just stayed home na lang muna. So, right now, I just finished a PowerPoint presentation para sa reporting namin sa Management 7. Yes. Kakatapos na rin namin mag-meeting para sa General Assembly, sa RMYC, sa booth namin, also sa Mayreo Access. This is just me being a schoolgirl. And just popular opinion, guys. Can I ask you something? Kasi I just don't feel like I am caught to interact with entitled people. Kaya kanina, I was having a meeting. Alam na ng kapitbahay ko, guys, na nagmi-meeting ako. But then, gabi na ha, 7 p.m. na, almost 8 p.m. na. Nagpatugtog siya ng malakas na sound. Like, as in, nagpatugtog siya while I was talking. Eh, alam niya na may meeting ako. Like, basic courtesy naman na lang sana yun. Or kahit sinabihan nila ako na, "Huy, tutugtog ako ng music." Hindi. Like, diniretso niya talaga na tumutug siya ng music. Like, girl, how will I respect you if you cannot respect me? Like, I feel really disrespected that time and I really feel like he's so entitled to do that. So, ayun, bilang mabait ako, I just adjusted. Ako na rin naghanap ng way para hindi umingay yung background ko. Pero alam mo yun, like, if you wanted people to respect you, you should show respect as well. And he clearly disrespected me earlier. And I don't feel like I deserve that. Sobrang entitled niya, guys. I really hate him. I was making a very serious like testament of myself or like the things that happened to me. And she's like dancing there. Ay, nako. Pero alam niyo yun, sorry for the word, pero nakakabwisit siya. Promise. Hindi pa naman ako yung tao na madaling mabwisit. I have a very long patience. Like, ang patient ko na tao. Pero kanina parang naganon talaga ako, guys. I really hate it. Like,
Tapos, after ko na mawala doon, like, few minutes later, pinatay niya rin naman. Like, parang ginawa niya lang rin para umalis ako doon. Like, basic courtesy mo na lang sana yun. Like, are you even an adult? You don't do that. That's so childish. Ang tanda-tanda mo na, tapos kasal bata ka pa rin. Like, no. So, I tell sa inyo because sobrang na-disrespect ako kanina. I feel so disrespected kanina na parang, may mga tao lang talaga na feeling entitled. Mga walang respeto sa kapwa nila. At huwag kayong ganun. Dapat hindi kayo ganun, ha? Okay, guys? Don't disrespect other people. And don't be entitled. Kasi pare-pareho lang naman tayong kanin na kinakain dito. Iba nga, ano pa, bread. But, you know, you get the point. Hindi pa naman ako madaling mabisit. Kasi hindi ako madaling magalit na tao. As a person, hindi ako madaling magalit. Pero kanina talaga nagalit ako, nabisit talaga ako. And parang gusto kong sabihin sa kanya, but, you know, ayoko ng gulo. Kaya, I kept quiet. So, okay guys, another unpopular opinion. Actually, it's already 10:16 p.m. and I've been like, I don't know, just doing things. So, guys, does it feel like nakakainis kapag nasasalita ako and then I speak in English? Kasi, I do apologize if you find it cringe or like, parang pilit. Kasi, honestly, hindi ako sanay na nagsasalita ng Tagalog kasi nga, I'm from Antique and we're part of the Western Visayas and mostly we're talking in Kinaraya or in Bisaya. So, pag nagsasalita ako ng Tagalog, there are words that I couldn't say like correctly or hindi ako nakakapagsalita ng Tagalog without inserting English words. For example, parang nagiging konyo ako pakinggan kasi when I speak in I think alam niyo naman yung sinasabi ko na kapag nagsasalita ako ng Tagalog, kapag hindi ko alam yung Tagalog na word or yung Filipino na word, tinatranslate ko na siya sa English kasi yun yung ginagawa ng utak ko, and then to properly communicate with you, dinediretso ko lang siya pagsasalita, and sa pagsasalita ko ngayon, of course, nahahaluan na siya ng English. I was monitoring my videos sa YouTube, diba, and I just noticed na I speak mostly or like occasionally I speak, not really nga occasionally, like most of the time I speak in English, and baka lang nawiwirduhan kayo na nag-English ako even though hindi naman talaga ako like native English speaker. So I hope you do understand that na hindi rin ako native Tagalog speaker. So para makapag-communicate ako, and like Filipino content kasi yung mga ginagawa ko So para na rin na marami ako or maabot ng mga tao, I speak in Tagalog in general kasi yun na nga yung national language natin, diba?